What is the difference between Ebola and coronavirus?
You mean Colombia virus?
Coronavirus.
Oh, Ebola is Africa virus. Why coronavirus is international virus imported into Africa. In the first case of Ebola, he is identified in the year 2013 in a small village southeast of Guinea, in West Africa. and the first case of coronavirus is reported in China, where it kills faster than Ebola. If you have coronavirus, you are going to the place where people are gathered. You are already on suicide mission. Coronavirus is worse, more than Ebola. So you need to be very very careful. You also need to be very careful of who you visit and who you admit into your house as a visitor. And you also need to be careful of who you shake because Buhari and Osinbajo don't shake themselves again with bare hands. Wash your hand regularly. Stay at home. If you feel ill with fever, cough, and breathing difficulties, if you have return person from China, Japan, Korea, and Italy, remain self isolation for some days because you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Thank you.